Hi friends, in previous video we have discussed about what is irrational numbers, right, and what are transcendental numbers, and we have seen examples of each. In today's video we will discuss about properties of irrational numbers. Okay, there are some properties of irrational numbers. Okay, that is nothing but irrational number will satisfy commutative property, associative property, distributive property under addition and multiplication. And also multiplication is distributive over addition. Okay, so these things you know already. Just to take one example and you do addition of irrational numbers, then it is going to satisfy the condition of commutative, and similarly you proceed further with associative and distributive. Okay, under addition and multiplication. Clear? Now we will see some important properties. What is that? You can see, I have taken one example, 2 plus root 3 and 4 minus root 3. Whether 2 plus root 3 is irrational number, it is an irrational number, right? 4 minus root 3 is also an irrational number. Clear? But if you add these two, one irrational number with another irrational number, you are going to get what? 2 plus 4 is nothing but 6, right? It is irrational. It is a rational number. Okay, it is a rational number. So when you are adding, that means sum of two irrational numbers, this is one irrational number and this is one irrational number. If you are adding two irrational numbers, you are going to get a rational number. Clear? This is one property. Sum of two irrational numbers will gives you a rational number. Not always, but sometimes. Okay. Similarly, if you do difference of these two irrational numbers, you may get a rational number. Suppose I'll take one example: 5 plus root 2 and 3 plus root 2. Okay. Root 2. 5 plus root 2 and 3 plus root 2. If you do subtraction, what you're going to get? 2. So this is a rational number again. 2 by 1, right? Again it is a rational number. So if you are doing difference of two irrational numbers, then also you are going to get rational number. And if you are going to do addition of irrational numbers, then it need not be rational number. Clear? Product of, again we will see one more thing, product of two irrational numbers can also be a rational number. It should not be, need not be irrational. Suppose I will do root 3 into root 3. What you are going to get? Root 3 whole square. That is nothing but 3. Again it is a rational number. So in the similar manner, coefficient of two irrational numbers need not be irrational. Suppose 2 root 3 by root 3. What you are going to get? 2, right? So you have to remember 4 properties. What are those? Sum of two irrational numbers, sum of two irrational numbers need not be irrational. Clear? Sum of two irrational numbers need not be irrational. At the same time, difference of two irrational numbers need not be irrational. At the same time, product of two irrational numbers need not be irrational, and also coefficient of two irrational numbers need not be irrational. So these are the 4 different properties you have to remember. Okay. With this, all the concepts related to number systems have been completed. From tomorrow we will focus each and every problem in different scenarios. Okay. Thank you.